Good morning, children. Today we will learn our mathematics chapter 13, that is geometrical shapes. Everyone open your book, page number 127. 127. Children, in the earlier class you have learned about two-dimensional shapes. Okay? Let us know about the two-dimensional shape. देखो two-dimensional shapes. Okay, two-dimensional shapes we call two-dimensional or we call 2D. 2D shape. Okay, two-dimensional shape or we call it 2D shape. Okay, 2D के 2D मतलब two dimensional मतलब one is length and second is breadth. Okay, the shapes which have only length and breadth are called the two dimensional shapes. Okay, देखो here your square is a two dimensional shape. You triangle, a rectangle, oval or circle. These five shapes are 2D shapes. 2D. Okay, 2D मतलब क्या? Two dimensional shape, that is length and breadth. These pictures have only length and breadth. It is the length, it is the breadth. Okay, this is called the length of the picture and it is the breadth. Okay. देखो first we know the triangle. देखो here two dimensional shape is your triangle is a two dimensional shape. Here देखो triangle yes children, see the picture here. The picture is it is a separate triangle. Here how many sides of a triangle? There are three sides. Here is the side. It is also a side and this is also a side. The triangle had three sides. How many sides? A triangle had three sides. Okay, and when the sides are meet, it creates a corner. It is a corner when two sides meet each other. देखो here is a corner. It is also a corner and it is also a corner. Here a triangle has three corners, three sides and three corners. Okay, three sides and three corners. Next we know about the square. देखो square, all of you know square, the four sides are equal. This side is equal to this side. Okay, the four sides are equal. Okay, how many sides? Here are four sides. Here is the one side, it is the one. This side is the, and this is, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has four sides. Then how many corners? Here is a corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, four sides. A square has four sides and four corners. And every sides are equal. Okay, every sides are equal. Okay, next we know learn about the rectangle. Yes children, rectangle, it is the picture of a rectangle. Okay, how many sides? Here 1, it is the one side, then 2, here is also 3 and 4. Okay, how many sides of the rectangle? 4 sides, and every opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, मतलब वो जो 5 cm वो भी 5 cm होगा, उसका जब 2 cm तो उसका 2 cm भी होगा. Okay, these opposite sides are equal. Okay, how many sides? Have 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, and how many corners? Like the square, it has also 4 corners. 4 corners and 4 sides, 4 corners, and opposite sides are here. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, all of you remember it. The rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, and opposite sides are equal. Next, circle. Yes, it is a circle. A circle has, देखो, a circle has no sides and no corners. Okay, it has no sides and no corners. Then we know about a point. All of you know what is a point? Point. देखो point क्या है? Point. देखो a point is a small dot. All of you know point is a small dot by the sharp pencil on the plain sheet. Okay, देखो it is a point. Okay, it is also a point. It is also a point. We can name of the points of the point A, point B, or point C. Okay, point has only the point has no length, no breadth. Okay, point has no length. Point का क्या length होगा? नहीं, point has no length or no breadth. Only it has a position. Only position. Okay. It has a only position. A point small dot has to be drawn very carefully to show the definite position only. Okay. In this way, you have to complete exercise 13.1 in your book. Then we know about straight line. We know what is a straight line. A straight line has, देखो, it is a straight line. P PQ is a straight line. A straight line has an arrow ahead on the both side. Okay, उसका दो साइड में क्या arrow mark. Okay, the both sides are arrow mark. Okay, both sides so that they make it longer on the either sides. इसका क्या वो arrow mark का मतलब क्या उसका दो साइड longer हो गया. Okay, the both sides are we can longer the both side. Okay, we can mark the PQ. Here we call the PQ straight line. We can PQ a straight line also vertical. Suppose MN also vertical. Okay, suppose slanting a straight line on MN. Suppose here AB is the slanting straight line. It is the slanting straight line. It is the slanting straight line. Okay, it is the vertical straight line. MN is the vertical straight line. Okay, and it is the horizontal. PQ is the horizontal straight line. Okay, PQ is the horizontal straight line, MN is the vertical straight line, and AB is the slanting straight line. Okay. Next we know line segment. is all about the straight line. Next, line segment. देखो चिल्ड्रन, line segment has two end point and can be measured with the help of the scale or measuring rod. Measuring rod. Here देखो, this point is name as A and this point is B. Okay. देखो, line segment has two end point. We can measure it with the scale. देखो, we can measure it. AB is a straight line. देखो how we write? देखो AB we write as straight line. Is it? Okay, AB straight line. A straight line. A point A and B are called the end point of the line segment A. Line segment A is the end point and B is the end point. A segment has a definite length. A line segment has definite length. It has no breadth and thickness. Okay. It has a line segment has no breadth and no thickness. We can measure it. Suppose we measure. We can measure with the help of the scale. देखो, how many cm? Yes, 25 cm. This line segment 25 cm. Okay, we can measure it. Then a ray. Okay, we discuss about ray. देखो, here x, y. Here x, y is a ray. It has one arrow ahead. Arrowhead. It has one arrowhead to show that it can make longer from the side. The y side is we can make longer the y side. Okay, but the x is the end point. One end point and one arrowhead mark. देखो a ray we x y ray we written as x y इसका arrow mark. Okay, x y is the ray. Yes, point x is called the initial point. X is called the starting point of the initial point. Okay. X is the initial point of ray xy. Okay. Next we know the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting means क्या? देखो here देखो, here is the line segment. Sorry, it is the straight line. Suppose the name is P S R. It is called the PQ. Here 2, here P Q. Okay, they call the क्या straight line PQ and RS crossing each other at the point O. It is called the O, or it is called O. It is the intersecting point. O is the intersecting point. O is your intersecting point. It is called the point of intersection. Okay, then we know the intersection. all of understood. देखो, here is a straight line and when they meet, when they cross each other at a point, it is the intersection point. Okay. Next we know about curved line. Yes children, a curved line can be any length. It can be drawn without using a ruler. Curved line, it is a curved line. It is a curved. There is no need to draw the curved line with the help of our ruler. Okay. Without ruler, we can draw the curved line. The line which is not straight. The line which is not straight is called curved line. Okay. It is a curved line. It is a curved line. Okay. It is a curved line. Okay. This is a curved line. In this way, you have to complete exercise 13.2 in your book and copy. Then we know measuring line set. Measuring line segment. Yes, the length of a line segment can be measured with the help of a ruler. Okay. There are some marking of the scale X. देखो, here is the देखो, there are some marking on the scale X. देखो, it is your mark. देखो, one side it is a scale or measuring rod. Okay, this देखो, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19, okay. This is the picture of a ruler. Okay. देखो, on the edge of the marking known as centimeter, it is the centimeter or cm, and this is known as the inches. Okay, this side indicates the cm and this side inches. Okay. देखो, a line, देखो, the scale has here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the inches. Okay. Sorry, these are the cm. Okay. There are 10 small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. There are 10 small lines which are called the mm. Okay. Mm. 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Okay. Here the 1 and 2 between 1 cm and 2 cm, there are, it is the height. Okay, in the 1.5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 small lines. The small lines are called mm. For 10 small lines, 10 mm is equal to 1 cm. Okay. Then in this way, you have to complete 13.3 in your copy. Next, the solid shape. We know about the solid shape. Yes. देखो, first we learn about 2D shape. Now it's solid shape. Solid shapes are called the solid shapes. Solid shapes are called the 3D shapes. Okay. 3D मतलब क्या? 3 dimensional shape. 3D or we call 3 dimensional shape. What are the 3D? 3 dimensions क्या क्या? One is length, second is breadth, and third is depth. Okay. उसका लंबाई, okay, length, breadth and depth. These are called the 3D. Here example, your cuboid, नेक्स्ट सिलेंडर, कोन and sphere. Okay, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere are the example of three dimensional shape. First we know one by one. देखो cube, देखो first है हाँ, next we know the surface of the solid shape. Okay, देखो first surface क्या है? Here देखो, these are first surface मतलब क्या है? जो plane surface, it is the plane surface. It is known as the plane surface. ठीक है? Plane surface. Suppose Q और क्या है? देखो ये the picture of a dice, it is the plane surface. Then curved surface देखो, curved surface क्या? जो moon. Okay, it is the curved surface or a ball. It has क्या? Curved surface. Curved surface. Okay, this is the curved surface. उसका क्या? जो surface है उसका curve है, curve जैसा है. So it is curved surface and this is a straight line. Okay, this are called the plane surface. Okay, देखो suppose the cylinder, देखो cylinder और a log. देखो these are the plane surface. Okay, these two side, वो side क्या? Plane surface. And this is the curved surface. Okay, your water bottle also. Okay, in the curved surface and the both sides are the क्या? Plane surface. Okay, these two are the plane surface and this one is the curved surface. Okay, all right, understood? Then we know the surface, edges and corner of the solid. Okay, now we will learn the surface, edges and corner of the solid shape. Surface, edges and corners of the solid shape. देखो ये cuboid, okay, this is the example of this cuboid. देखो a cuboid is made of 6 rectangular faces. It has 6, देखो उसका फेस क्या? वो जो समान होते हैं उसका फेस 1 2. how many फेस? देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6. how many faces? A cuboid has how many faces? 6. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6. okay, how many faces? 6 faces. A cuboid has 6 faces. faces मतलब क्या समझते हो? faces मतलब जो प्लेन फेस है उसका फेस प्लेन है, so it is called the plane face. okay, flat face or plane face. Then we know how many edges and vertices. edges देखो edges क्या? उसका जो धार edges क्या? देखो how many edges of a cuboid? देखो it is the example of a cuboid. yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. then 9 10 11 12. how many edges? 12 edges. उसका धार जो होते हैं 12 edges. okay, then all of you clear about the edges? then how many vertex? okay, vertex मतलब क्या? जो कॉर्नर होते हैं vertex. देखो how many vertex? 1 2 3 4 5 vertex, 8 edges, 12 edges and 6 faces. Okay. All of you remember a cuboid has 6 flat faces. Flat मतलब वो जो समान होते हैं. Flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. Okay. Next we know about the cuboid. A cuboid also the same. Suppose a cuboid, देखो. A cuboid also have the same. It is the a cube. A cube has also 6 faces, 6 flat faces, 12 edges, 12 edges and 8 vertex. Then about a sphere. देखो sphere a sphere has one, देखो it is the example of a sphere. Okay, a sphere has one curved face. A sphere has one, उसका क्या one curved face. It is the face. The face is curved. देखो उसका क्या कर्व फेस है ना, वो जो फेस है उसका क्या फेस कैसा है, कर्व है. सो इट इज वन कर्व फेस एंड नो एजेस. उसका कोई धार है, नो एजेस, नो एज एंड नो वर्टेक्स. ओके, इट हैज नो only one curved face, no edges and no vertex. Oh, next we have the cone. Yes, the example of a cone is your ice cream. Ice cream is the example of your birthday cake. It is the cone. Okay, cone. देखो here a cone has one vertex. All of you know one vertex. One, it is your flat face. One flat face. It is the flat face and one curved face. It is the curved face. ओके, आइसक्रीम का जो गोल होता है उसका क्या कर्व है, उसका जो ऊपर उसका फ्लैट फेस है एंड वन वर्टेक्स. ओके, देन सिलेंडर. यस, ऑल ऑफ यू सिलेंडर. देखो उसका क्या, वो जो उसका जो फेस है उसका फ्लैट फेस है. इट इज अ टू फ्लैट, इट इज अ फ्लैट फेस एंड इट इज अ फ्लैट फेस, टू फ्लैट फेस. ओके, a cylinder has two flat face. Okay, a cylinder. No, one curved face. One, वो जो फेस जो गोल होता है उसका गोल, उसका क्या कर्व्ड फेस, कर्व्ड फेस. And no vertex, no vertices. Okay, a cylinder has two flat face. Okay, two flat face and one curved face and no edges and no vertex, no edges, no vertex and no edges. Okay, sorry two curved edges. Sorry जो उसका टू कर्व एजेस, वन कर्व फेस, टू फ्लैट फेस एंड टू कर्व एजेस, टू कर्व एजेस. ओके, टू कर्व एजेस. Yes children, then we know about the closed and open figure. देखो in this way you have to complete the page number 135 and 36, exercise 3.4 in your book. Yes, next closed face, closed and open figure. continuously turn in their boundaries are called the closed figure. देखो children, here is a closed figure. Why? Because their boundaries are closed. देखो उसका बाउंडर क्या, उसका ओपन है. दिस जो बाउंडर क्या ओपन है, इट इज नॉट क्लोज्ड. ओके, इट इज द ओपन फिगर, इट इज द क्लोज फिगर. उसका क्लोज, उसका जो बाउंडरी उसका क्लोज है, इट इज द क्लोज्ड फिगर. सपोज देखो इट इज क्या क्लोज फिगर, बट इट इज ओपन फिगर. ओपन. ओके, देखो हियर इज ए देखो सपोज हियर इज ए स्क्वायर. दिस स्क्वायर इज क्लोज्ड and this square is open. Okay, this is in the boundary are not completed. Okay, this is the open figure. This boundary are completed, so it is the closed figure. Okay, देखो next. Yes, tell me. देखो yes, which is the open figure and which is the closed figure? Here देखो, here is the open figure. देखो this side is open, so it is the open figure. And it is देखो all the sides are closed. Okay, so it is the closed figure. Okay, this is it. This is very easy for everyone about the closed figure and open figure. In this way, you have to complete page number exercise 13.5 in your book. Then tangram. Yes, children. Tangram. Yes, tangram is an old Chinese puzzle. From the pieces of the tangram, we can make many shapes of people, animal and other birds. Okay, tangram क्या? Tangram एक और Chinese puzzle है. उसका क्या? उसका हम क्या क्या बना सकते हैं? People, the picture of a people, animal or birds हम बना सकते हैं. Okay, tangram have either 5 or 7 pieces. एक वन जो डायग्राम होते हैं उसका कितना पीस होगा? उसका 5 और 7 pieces. Okay, we cut the piece of a tangram into 5 pieces in various shapes. Okay, if the tangram is divided into 5 parts, then it is called the 5 pieces tangram. Okay, this is the picture of a 5 pieces tangram. Okay, this is the picture of a 7 pieces. The tangram is divided into 7 parts, so it is called the 7 pieces tangram. Okay, this is all about your geometrical shapes. Okay, and chapter 13 geometrical shapes. Okay, thank you.